You have never done what God has told you to do. You're so concerned about what your husband is or isn't doing, well, you have never done what God has told you to do. God says in his words, judge every disobedience when your obedience is complete. Again, judge every disobedience when your obedience is complete. Well, if he don't respect me, then I'm not going to respect him. Well, that means you're out of order. Because God told you to respect him in everything, to submit to him in everything. So you trying to say that what I'm not going to obey God unless somebody else obeys him. Do you know you're going to have to stand before God and you won't be able to say the reason I didn't do what you said is because my husband didn't. Make that one make sense. This whole construction, this whole lie, this whole scenario, this whole narrative, that's the word, that has been created is that women can do what we want and men have to, we don't have to bow down. We're equal partners.